Okay guys, what I'm doing today is I am going to do some macaroons, and I'm just showing the piping of them. This one right here is watermelon macaroon. Restart. I'm just going to put a dollop. Starting to thicken up already. And I made more than I was supposed to, but it's better to have more than not enough. Of course, I'll end up cleaning them up. The wax that I'm using is Golden Brand Wax 464, and it is a soy wax. I had to remelt it because I usually let it sit so that it can solidify a little bit before I whip it. So this is how I whip it. Oh, and this is what it looks like so far. Also, when you're whipping, the color gets lighter. So if you want a certain color, make sure you add more color than you want, because the color will get lighter as you whip it. And also, before you ask, no, I did not burn off the scent because I didn't heat it enough where the scent will burn off. I do that just to get the excess off of the spoon. I hope you can see me. Doesn't seem like it. If not, I'll do the other one. Okay. Because I have one more to do, so. And excuse me if this is choppy, but when you're working with piped wax, you have to work quickly because it will set up. And of course, I made more than I had to, and I needed. Let me heat it up first, and then I'll be back. Let me show you how it looks first. Okay, I'm back to show you the whipping. Hopefully you can see it this time. I'm going to tilt it a little bit so you can see. I melted it down a little bit, not a whole lot, with my heat gun. Here's my bag, and this is the tip I'm using. Oh, sorry, my hand-eye coordination is not working right now. It is a Wilton 1A. It's good enough. Now, I made 4 ounces of wax, and this is how much it gives me. But it'll be way too much for what I needed. You know. This scent smells so good. This scent is, this is actually going to be the orange macaroons. So it's actually a house blend. So I made, just cover it. What you don't want is for it to come out of the sides too much. Some of them will, but it's inevitable. It's not inevitable, but I'm not doing it over.